Welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this Granny Square source book. Today's video is so exciting because it's one of the types of squares that I was looking forward to the most. So it's called the Mesh Strainer Square, and it's a beautiful flowery kind of shape, and it has a lot of colors and it's nice and full. So I'm really looking forward to it. And also it says right here that it's an intermediate, so might be a little bit of a challenge for me because I'm more of a beginner, but definitely looking forward to it. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, I've got my colors right here. So I'm going for a nice blue, what's dégradé in English? Fade? No. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, magic circle, okay. Should I go dark to light, or should I go light to dark? I like the idea of going light to dark. I'm kind of hoping to do some slight back and forth between my colors. Like I would like the next round to be the next darker blue, then I want to go back to this one for the row after that. Yeah, I'm gonna say that works. Okay, next row. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I think that works. And now I can take these again. Perfect, round 3. What's a double crochet bobble? Is this a single crochet bobble? Does that look right? I don't think so. Wait, let me Google it. Okay, perfect. So I was right. I'm glad I checked though. Better be safe and check than be sorry and start over. Oops, I made a mistake. I love how I'm like so sure of myself and then immediately after I make a mistake. Ooh, this is looking really nice. Let's not get too excited. I'm not done yet. The next row would be the single crochet and then chain 3. And I'm going to do that row and the next one in this color. So this one can be snipped off. Okay, so single crochet, then chain 3. Oh, wait, no, I'm getting so confused. That's wrong. Okay, yeah, that works, right? Yeah. Wonder where in here I'm supposed to single crochet though. I think I might be doing it in the wrong one. I think instead of here, it should be there. I think it's fine either way, and I'm just gonna keep going this way. Looks good to me. Ooh, looking so good. Okay, let's keep going. Look at how gorgeous this is. I'm so happy with it. I'm really enjoying the colors. I'm really enjoying the fullness of it. I'm enjoying just everything about it. It was so fun to make. It wasn't hard at all. I don't know why they put it as an intermediate because honestly, this was easy. I 100% recommend making this square. Just look at the result. I have no words. What do you think? But yeah, it's just a really fun square to make. I really recommend making this square. I just love how it turned out. I can't get over it. It was so fun. I did end up adding a color, the black for the last row. I just thought it added a nice, you know, overall finishing look to the piece. A piece, I'm talking like it's a piece of art, but like, it kind of is. Okay, look at this. It's so pretty. It didn't take that long to make either. It took a little while, of course, but it didn't take that long. You go make this square, okay? Get this book and make this square. All right, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching square number 27, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye. Okay. Double Nani. Your face is so dirty. Oh my goodness. You're on camera, honey. You have to get yourself cleaned up. Ugh. You've got a little booger. You've got another booger. That's a big booger. Aha. Ooh.